We made it. Hey guys, so it is the day after my birthday, but we're celebrating still because I mentioned we were taking a trip to Monteverde, so we're here and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the room. It is amazing here. We're all the way up in the clouds. It's so nice. It's fresh. It smells amazing. So let me give you a room tour real quick because this room is awesome. Blew me away. Nice waxed hardwood floors. And then right off the entrance, you have this little bathroom area. So you have the sink and then it's separate because there's a door that goes into the actual bathroom where the shower is. It has a bathtub, which is kind of neat because we don't have a bathtub in our house, and then the toilet. And then you walk into this amazing room. The room is huge. I remember somebody saying on the website that the rooms are like suites, which, yeah, this is like a suite for real. The beds are big, and there's a ton of storage space in here. This is the type of hotel you come and you stay for a couple of days. We're only here for 2 nights. But we're going to try to make the most of the 2 nights that we're here. And then you have this seating area right here, which is so nice. Look at these couches. Are they comfortable? Yeah. And then this huge window looking out onto the property. Yeah, so look at this. You look out onto the property. And there's hiking trails on the property, but there's a lot to do here in Monteverde. A lot. So yeah, there's a lot to do here in Monteverde. There's a lot of reserves and hiking trails and tours and canopies and stuff like that. We're going to get settled and then we're going to figure out what we're going to do later. It's after 2 o'clock right now. So we're going to see what we can do today. And then we're going to plan out our day tomorrow because we leave Sunday. I think checkout's at noon on Sunday. So we want to make the most of our time here. And I still want to celebrate my birthday. So I'm really happy. I'm excited. And I'm loving this room. Oh, and when we passed the town was so nice. I was really impressed. Like when we're driving up, the road was a little sketchy. But you don't expect, like when you get to the town, it's mind-blowing. You don't expect to see that. It was really nice, kind of touristy, but not like a beach touristy kind of town. Really nice, really homey. So I'm excited to explore the town tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of them.
Come here, Kim, over here.
There's like 3 of them.
Kim, come here.
Wow.
You can see those. They'll be coming in a flock. They come like 20, 30 deep.
Damn.
I'm not joking either. They come
You
like
don't
20, 30
even
deep.
know, Alvaro. You got it good over here. Wow. My kids would have a field day here. Oh my gosh, my kids would love it here. Wow. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of our family trip here in Monteverde. We are literally like in the jungle. Like this is cloud forest. You know, this is the famous cloud rainforest part of Costa Rica. So I mentioned we're at a hotel, and the hotel's called Fondavela, and it's really nice. We're so impressed with the room. It's huge. It's like a suite. So now we actually got up pretty early because we went to bed early last night. We had a long day. So we went to bed early. We woke up early. We got dressed. We're ready. And so we're going to go have breakfast right now. The hotel includes breakfast. And we're going to go see what we're going to do today. We want to go to the Rainforest Reserve or the Cloud Forest Reserve. I'm not sure what it's called. And do some hiking and some trails. We have the entire day. We're trying to start early. It's 7 o'clock right now. So we're trying to start as early as we can because we only get one day to do what we want to do, because yesterday we kind of got here around 2 and they have night tours, but we decided to go hang out with our friends, and that was fun. The kids played, and you saw the clips of where my husband's friend lives. It's nice, gorgeous, gorgeous property. And then we came back, well, we had dinner, and then we came back to the hotel and just got ready for bed. It was a long day. Well, the kids went into the jacuzzi. So hopefully today we'll be able to get in the pool and the jacuzzi again for a little bit. But that's going to be after we do everything. We have a birthday party today too, which I don't know if I mentioned that. We're going to our friend's kid's birthday party today. And then after that, the day is open, so we can decide what we want to do for the rest of the afternoon. So obviously I will be vlogging, and I will share with you guys everything we end up... What? I'll share with you guys everything we end up doing. That's crazy. What is that?
Whoa, see,
What
that was
is
a cool
that?
bird. You saw that bird?
What is that?
It's in there making...
Whoa!
Look at that bird. Oh, cool.
We're right here, Monteverde. Alright, so we're doing a hiking trail. We're in the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, and we're going to do a 2-hour trail hike. So hopefully we take less time so that we can actually go on another trail that they say is about an extra 30 minutes, and that's to see the waterfall. That would be nice. But we're in the Cloud Forest Reserve, and I'm excited. So let's go.
No, just the oxygen they're giving out. The plants giving out.
Look at all these plants, trees, healthy air breathing, healthy living.
I can film for you.
I'm gonna wait.
I don't have film. Oh, that is a too cool.
Wow. It's the moisture, right? Don't. I was gonna touch it too. It makes you want to touch it. I don't think you should.
The lemon tree was doing that. You got it? Cool. Look at that human footprint. And that was mud.
How did I do that?
Clouds.
It's going towards me. Blue ant.
It's a blue ant, everybody.
So we're back from our adventures. This morning, you saw we went to the Cloud Forest Reserve. And then after that, we went to our friend's son's birthday party because he lives out here with his wife and her family. And so that was part of the reason why we decided to come. Mostly because we haven't been here. We wanted to come and have a new experience, but also because, you know, since we're going to be here, he invited us to the party and, you know, I can't say no to a party. But we did that and then the kids had fun. And so now we're back at the hotel and we're going to go for a quick swim in the pool. This is not pool weather because we're in the cloud forest and it's chilly and it's rainy, but it's actually a really nice day today. It's not that cold. There is no sun because we have cloud cover, but it's like the perfect time right now to get in the pool before it gets really cold later. So we're gonna do a quick swim in the pool and then, oh no, it's getting dark because I'm actually heading into the shaded area. But yeah, our hotel is on a gorgeous piece of property. It is so pretty out here. I'm in love with Monteverde. They even have like trails on the property of the hotel where we're staying. So we might actually go ahead and try to see if we can hike one of these trails later. We have so much that we want to do, and we just don't have enough time to do it because we came yesterday. We only had today, and then we leave tomorrow at noon. So we're going to try to do as much as we can. But like I mentioned, tonight, well, right now, we're going to go to the pool. And then after that, I don't know what we're going to do. But we're going to try to figure out how to maximize our time here so that we can get in the most amount of fun activities, especially for the kids, because they're having so much fun before we leave. So pool first. I got some snacks with me, and then I don't know what the day holds. It's still early. We got up at 5:30 this morning, me and my husband, because we went to bed at like 9:30 last night. So we had a good night's sleep. Started the day super early, went to breakfast as soon as breakfast was available at 7 o'clock. We did the cloud forest at like 8 o'clock. So yeah, we started our day early so we could get in as much as we could. So it's after 12 right now. And so we're going to just chill at the pool for a little bit, and then I'll let you guys know what we decide to do later on. There's nobody here.
That's what I'm saying. That's my boss.
Is it hot?
That's turned off, and it's not. I don't think that's clean. It looks dirty. Go look at it.
Akeem said cheese.
It's not warm. It's not even on, guys. It's not even on, guys.
Turn it on? Maybe they turn it off at night. Okay, jacuzzi was a bust, but reception has the maintenance guys working on it. So hopefully it'll be fixed and up and running later this evening. So we're going to try to go back later. But for now, we're back in the hotel room. It is raining, if you can see that, which is fine. It's rainy season in Costa Rica, and we're in the rainforest, so that's not a problem. But we're back in the hotel room. We're going to get dressed, and we might actually go have some lunch. I don't even know. It's after 2, and we haven't had lunch. But I know if we go eat right now, it'll probably be like a late lunch, early dinner. So we might go grab something to eat and then figure out what we want to do. We were going to try to go back to the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve and hike up to the waterfall. So we might do that too if it stops raining. If it stops raining before 4 o'clock, my husband and I might actually go and do that. But for now, we're just going to get dressed, hop in the car, go grab something to eat, and then figure out what we want to do for the rest of the afternoon. So dark.
Alright, we're pausing and we get there. Pause it. Not as big as la fortuna, man. It's rough.
Alright guys, so we made it to the waterfall. It's really loud. It's really pretty over here, but as you can see, it's raining. I didn't want to wait for it to stop raining because then we'd miss our opportunity, and the park closes at 4. So we came to the waterfall, and I'm glad we did because it's amazing.
here in the property of the hotel, walking around. They have their own trails.
Yeah, so since it's our last day here, we figured we might as well explore the property since it's right in our backyard, right behind our hotel room, and see what kind of trails they have. It's nice though. It's quiet.
River.